Previously on Tech Tuesday, we looked at the Google Calendar shortcuts and how you can use simple combination of keys to move around the calendar and generally manage your appointments more efficiently. Today, we're looking at the Gmail and how another set of shortcuts can empower you to spend less time in your inbox and more time elsewhere. So let's have a look. By default, the shortcuts in Gmail are not turned on. So the first thing that we will need to do is to go into the settings and see all settings, scroll a bit down until you see shortcuts. If they're turned off, make sure they're turned on and don't forget to save the changes. Now that our shortcuts are on, let's see what we can do with them. The simplest shortcuts we can do is C for create. That will create a draft or an email, and if you ever want to delete a draft, that's Shift Command D for delete. So C will create one, Shift Command D will delete one. Working at an international school or any big organization, you probably get tons of emails that don't really require your attention, but you still need to go through them and mark them as read or delete them. So let's have a look at how we can do that. Quickest way that I prefer is to go and select the emails that I don't really need to open by pressing Shift and clicking on those emails. Once they are selected, you can press Shift I for I read them and mark them as read. So let's go in and actually open the email that I do need to open and try to see what we can do here. Pressing R will respond to the recipient. And if you realize that you actually need to respond to all, we can delete that draft. Remember, we learned Shift Command D and press A to respond to all for A, right? So R is responding to one person and A is responding to everyone. And so once you finally know who you're responding to, sending an email is as easy as pressing Command Enter on the Mac computer. And if you realize that, hold on a second, I want to undo, press Shift and Z. And that will undo your send, or actually any action that you've taken in the Gmail. So let's delete this draft and move back to our inbox by pressing U for the U-turn. Okay? Moving into the email and pressing U will move you back to your inbox. And if you ever want to go to the emails that you sent, press GT for go to sent. Moving back to inbox is GI. So GT go to sent and GI go to inbox. Let's see what else we can do. We can select all emails in our inbox by pressing Shift*A. That will select everything. We can deselect everything by pressing Shift*N, select nothing. Or we can select all unread messages by pressing Shift*U for unread. So let's do it one more time. Shift*N, select nothing. Shift*A, select everything. And Shift*U, select only unread. All right, let's recap what we learned today. C will open a new email. Shift Command D will delete that email. Selecting a few emails with Shift, and then Shift I will mark those emails as read. Going into the email, we can either respond to one by pressing R, or we can respond to all by pressing A, and then sending an email, Command and Return. And deleting or undoing the action with Shift and Z. Going back to your inbox is U, going to send is go send, and going back to the inbox is GI. There are many other shortcuts that you can learn to manipulate emails, selecting everything, but those are the ones that I use all the time, and once you get used to them, you never go back to doing just everything by your mouse. Next time on Tech Tuesday, we'll stay in the Gmail and look at how to apply and create filters so you can filter out unwanted emails, so you can label emails and put them in specific folders or labels, which again improve your efficiency and make your life more joyful as you get to spend less time in your inbox and more time elsewhere. Thank you for your attention, and we'll see you next time.